Hello all my dear student friends. Welcome to this session. Now let us study the piezoelectric injector, that is the piezoelectric fuel injector used in IC engines. The function of the fuel injector is to inject the fuel in the atomized condition at a very high pressure inside the combustion chamber of the IC engine. The quality of injection is very important because the quality of combustion depends upon the quality of injection. If the combustion of the fuel is excellent, then the performance of the IC engine is excellent, we get a better fuel economy, then the emissions are low and the maximum torque which is obtained is also available. So these are the advantages of improved combustion, and improved combustion can be obtained by improved injection of the fuel inside the combustion chamber, and therefore the research is being done in the area of fuel injectors, and one outcome of that research is the invention of the piezoelectric fuel injector, which is far better than the other fuel injectors which are working on the principle of electromagnetic force. So let us study these piezoelectric injectors. So for better fuel economy and for obtaining the higher torque performance, for lower emissions and thus optimum performance of the engine, better combustion of the fuel is important, and this combustion is highly influenced by the fuel injection. Therefore it is the need of the time to have an excellent fuel injection system in the IC engines, and for that the piezoelectric fuel injectors are now being used, and we are not using the fuel injectors which are based on the electromagnetic force. So the piezoelectric fuel injectors, they perform better, their response is more quick than the injectors which are based on the electromagnetic force. So these piezoelectric fuel injectors are used to open and close the fuel injector at extremely high speeds also, and these piezoelectric fuel injectors can control the quantity, duration and time of fuel supply very precisely. So very precise control is possible by this piezoelectric fuel injectors as far as the quantity of the fuel is concerned, as far as the duration and the time of fuel spray or fuel injection inside the combustion chamber is concerned. Not only this, but the injection rate profile is also improved in the IC engines, in both the petrol as well as the diesel engines. So this injection rate profile is again an advanced term used in the fuel injection concepts. The injection rate profile is nothing but a graph or a profile in which we are plotting on the y-axis the fuel injection rate in the unit of fuel injection rate which is used in this graph will be milligram per millisecond, and on the x-axis we are plotting the time is plotted on the x-axis, and the unit is milliseconds. So this is a picture of a piezoelectric fuel injector. So in this piezoelectric fuel injector, this is a high pressure fitting, so that only high pressure fuel can enter inside this fuel injector. Then this fuel is filtered first of all in this filter. Then this is the passage or injector body along which the fuel is flowing. The fuel is flowing like this. So this is the passage of the flow of the fuel, and this is nothing but here, from here the fuel will return back, the extra fuel, the excess amount of fuel can return back to the fuel pump, because only exact quantity of the fuel is supplied, is sprayed, and the remaining quantity of fuel, though it may be a very small quantity, but that is returned to the fuel pump. Actually the fuel pump is also supplying the right amount of fuel, but there is more precise control in this fuel injector, especially if we are using the piezoelectric fuel injector. So the extra fuel, maybe in small quantity, is returned back to the fuel pump. This is nothing but the piezoelectric actuator. Then this is the hydraulic amplifier. This one is nothing but the hydraulic amplifier, and then this is the control valve used to control the flow of the fuel, and finally this is the nozzle. So with the help of this nozzle, the velocity of this particular fuel is increased, pressure is already high, so with the help of this nozzle the fuel is sprayed in the atomized form. Very fine droplets of the fuels are sprayed inside the combustion chamber against a very high pressure, which is obtained after the combustion of the air inside the engine cylinder. So for actuation of the fuel nozzle, that means for that we have to produce a small movement, something like 0.004 inch movement of this particular piezoelectric actuator. But if we use a single slice, a single piezo slice, then the expansion will be very small. So if we use the hundreds of piezo slices, if we stack hundreds of piezo slices one above the other, then you will find that the overall expansion, the total expansion will be something like around 0.004 inch, and this much expansion is sufficient to activate the fuel injector, that is the piezoelectric fuel injector. So when we want to stop the injection, then the voltage is cut off. So voltage is cut off after injection of fuel, so that the piezo stack will shrink back to its original size, and due to this the fuel nozzle will be closed by the spring. The spring will close the fuel nozzle, and the spray of the fuel will be stopped. So let us see one more figure which will show us the enlarged view of all these 3-4 components. Some portion of this particular piezoelectric actuator will be shown, this small portion of the piezoelectric actuator will be shown, then this hydraulic amplifier will be shown, control valve, and some portion of the nozzle will also be shown. So here this is shown, this enlarged view of the actuator and the nozzle is shown. So this is the hydraulic actuator, hydraulic amplifier, and this is nothing but the nozzle. This is the control valve. So here when we supply electricity to the piezoelectric actuator, it will expand and this signal will be given to the hydraulic amplifier. So this is the hydraulic amplifier, which contains the amplifier piston and it also contains the valve piston. So this hydraulic amplifier will amplify the signal given by the piezoelectric actuator, and this motion is used to open the valve. So the valve will be opened and the fuel will be injected inside the combustion chamber of the engine. So thank you my dear friends.